life is fine. It'd be finer if you were mine. And what is the consequence for you? Hugging and kissing and no more blues. Don't I know it's a crime loving you so when you're not mine? And what is the consequence for me? Hoping and praying that yours I'll be. But if it don't happen that way, I know, baby, that someday another man will take my hand, and happy we'll be. Don't I know life is fine? I've let go of this hold of mine. And what is the consequence for me?